Welcome to Bestsellers Market. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of automotive maintenance with a countdown of the best-selling brake tools on Amazon. These products have earned top ratings and rave reviews for their quality, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this list has something for everyone. Without further ado, let's get started. Introducing the Orion MotorTech Brake Pad Spreader. A must-have for every mechanic and DIY enthusiast aiming to simplify their brake pad maintenance. Picture this. Effortless brake pad replacement becomes your new reality. This heavy-duty brake pad spreader tool is engineered to compress inner pads and reset pistons with unparalleled ease, transforming a once tedious task into a smooth, efficient process. Now let's talk about operation. The 0.4-inch thick solid steel rod with precision threading ensures you experience smooth and secure compression every time. Coupled with an ergonomic knob, it offers superior control, allowing you to tackle brake maintenance with confidence and ease. But that's not all. The innovative swivel design of this brake caliper compression tool features a large contact surface, ensuring even compression without damaging your brake components. Imagine flawless performance and zero worries about unnecessary wear or tear. Versatility is key. This tool fits seamlessly into your workflow, whether you're working on cars or light trucks. Its broad compatibility makes it the perfect addition to any toolkit, ensuring you're always prepared for any brake pad changing needs. Durability? It's second to none. Crafted from high-quality structural steel, this brake caliper compression tool is built to withstand the toughest use. The electrophoretic coating provides exceptional corrosion resistance, ensuring it remains a reliable companion for years to come. In conclusion, the Orion MotorTech Brake Pad Spreader is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Elevate your brake maintenance routine and experience the perfect blend of efficiency, durability, and ease. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Next on our list at number 4, we have the versatile 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit Handheld Vacuum Pump Test Set for Automotive. This indispensable tool is not just a brake bleeder, it's your one-stop solution for automotive pressure testing and brake maintenance. Imagine the convenience of a vacuum gauge, offering you precise pressure readouts with a range of 0 to 30 inches Hg, or 0 to 760 mm Hg, right at your fingertips. Versatility is its middle name. With 4 different length tubes, this kit covers all your needs, whether you're working on a compact car or a larger vehicle. And guess what? Each set includes a spare O-ring, ensuring you're always prepared for any situation. Let's talk about convenience. This portable kit comes with a variety of adapters designed to fit all vehicles, making it perfect for both home garage tinkering and professional business applications. Need to bleed your brakes alone? No problem. The hand vacuum pump allows you to effortlessly bleed your car brakes by yourself, turning a two-person job into a one-man operation. Durability meets practicality. The high-quality carry case is not only rugged and durable, but also makes transportation and storage a breeze. No more scrambling for parts. Everything you need is organized and ready to go. In essence, the 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit Handheld Vacuum Pump Test Set is a game changer for anyone serious about automotive maintenance. It's precise, versatile, and incredibly user-friendly. Elevate your tool collection and make brake and clutch bleeding simpler, faster, and more efficient. This kit is your go-to for top-notch performance and reliability, ensuring every job is done with the utmost precision and ease. At number 3 in our countdown of best-selling brake tools on Amazon, we present the 8-Mile Lake Disc Brake Caliper Compressor Windback Tool 24 PC Professional Caliper Tool Set. This is the ultimate solution for those serious about their automotive maintenance. Imagine this. You're working on a 4-wheel drive car or truck and you need precision and efficiency. This tool set is designed specifically for that. It includes left and right-handed thrust bolt assemblies, giving you the flexibility to handle any brake job with ease. Versatility is at the heart of this set. With 18 adapters included, it's compatible with a variety of modern car brands. No more hunting for the right tool. Everything you need is right here. Each piece in this 24-piece kit is crafted to rotate the piston back into the caliper, ensuring the perfect fit for new brake shoes and pads. But that's not all. Convenience is key. The set comes with a sturdy storage case, keeping your tools organized and easy to transport. And to top it off, a pair of gloves is included, providing that extra layer of protection and comfort during your work. In essence, the 8-Mile Lake Disc Brake Caliper Compressor Windback Tool Set is not just a collection of tools, it's your trusted partner in automotive maintenance. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set equips you with the precision, versatility, and convenience you need to get the job done right. Elevate your brake maintenance game and ensure every job is a success with this comprehensive and reliable tool set. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling brake tools on Amazon? Well, don't pump the brakes now. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a gear in our latest updates. Now at number 2 on our countdown of best-selling brake tools on Amazon, we present the Spurtar Brake Caliper Press Tool. This isn't just a tool, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to make your brake repair tasks seamless and efficient. Imagine a tool that handles single piston, dual piston, and even quad piston calipers with ease. The Spurtar Brake Caliper Compression Tool does just that. Whether you're dealing with single or twin piston floating calipers, this tool has got you covered. Remember, it's perfect for disc brakes, not drum brakes. What sets this tool apart is its ratcheting technology. The centrally located ratchet screw ensures even force when compressing pistons, guaranteeing proper alignment and preventing any damage to your brake components. This precision is key to a flawless brake repair, but it doesn't stop there. The 360-degree ratcheting capability allows for unparalleled maneuverability. Keep the compression plates in place while you effortlessly lever the handle back and forth to spread or retract the plates. It's all about making your job easier and more efficient. Ease of use is another highlight. The extended reversing lever allows for quick changes from spreading to retracting. And with a cushioned grip handle, comfort and ease of grip are assured, even during prolonged use. Durability? Absolutely. Constructed from carbon steel, the ratcheting screw and pad plates are built for maximum strength and longevity. This tool is designed to withstand the rigors of automotive brake repair, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. In conclusion, the Spurtar Brake Caliper Press Tool is the ultimate 4-in-1 solution for your brake repair needs. Multifunctional, precise, and built to last, it ensures every brake job is done with utmost accuracy and ease. Elevate your repair game with this top-tier tool and experience the difference in performance and convenience. Finally, at the top of our countdown, claiming the #1 spot among the best-selling brake tools on Amazon, we present the Orion Motor Tech 24 PCs, heavy-duty disc brake, piston, caliper, compressor, rewind toolset, and windback toolkit. This is the ultimate toolkit for anyone serious about brake maintenance. Imagine tackling brake pad and shoe replacements with unmatched ease. This comprehensive kit includes both right-handed and left-handed thrust bolt assemblies, making it perfect for rotating pistons back into the caliper on your car, truck, or 4-wheel drive disc brake vehicle. Versatility is a hallmark of this set. With 18 adapters, it fits hundreds of vehicle makes and models, including American, European, and Japanese autos. Whether you're working on a domestic sedan or an imported SUV, this kit has you covered. For a more detailed list of compatible vehicles, be sure to check the product description section below. Durability is paramount. Constructed from carbon steel with a rust-proof blasted finish, these components are built to withstand heavy use and accidental drops. It's a reliable companion for both DIY novices and seasoned professional mechanics. Organization is a... We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling brake tools on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling tools we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.